If you buy an unripe pomegranate from store, it will not ripen at home like a banana, so you should identify and pick only ripe pomegranates. These are the signs of ripeness of a pomegranate: color, shape, sound, and weight. The smell does not tell anything about its ripeness like a mango or rock melon. Color is the first rough indicator. Ripe pomegranate has a color from pink to golden yellow to deep red, depending on its variety. Green color indicates that it is unripe. However, color is not the best indicator. The shape of the fruit is an important indicator to look at. This pomegranate is red in color, but it is perfectly round like a ball, so not yet ripe. The inside seeds may be red in color, but they will be sour. A perfectly round pomegranate indicates that it is not ripe, so don't choose it. Now look at this pomegranate. This is not round, but slightly flattened, square or boxy shape. Also, it has pronounced ridges around it. A pomegranate of square or boxy shape having ridges is a sign of ripe fruit. You can easily identify the ripe pomegranates by looking the fruits from the top. On a ripe pomegranate, the petal-shaped crown or flower on the top is turned inward or soft. An unripe pomegranate has a crown opened outwards that is hard to bend. But the crowns are removed from the pomegranates we see in the store, so this indicator is not useful. The skin texture can also tell about the ripeness of the pomegranate. A ripe pomegranate may have a rough, matte, or leathery skin, whereas an unripe pomegranate has a smooth skin. Another way to tell its ripeness is to tap on the fruit. An unripe pomegranate sounds hollow, but a ripe fruit gives a dense or metallic sound. Weight is also an important criteria. Hold the fruit in your hand. It should feel heavy for its size because full of juicy seeds inside. Ripe versus unripe pomegranate. In conclusion, the unripe pomegranates are green, round like a ball, sounds hollow on tapping, and feels light in weight. On the other hand, the ripe pomegranates are red or golden yellow in color, slightly flattened, sounds dense on tapping, and feels heavy in weight. This is a picture of pomegranates in a store. If you carefully look at these, you will find that it is a mix of both ripe and unripe fruits. Some are perfectly round and smooth like balls. Look from top. You will know which may be ripe and which unripe. Then take in your hand and assess other pointers like sound and weight. This way you can easily buy the ripe pomegranates. Hope you are enjoying the video. Next I will show you how to cut open a pomegranate. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos and also hit the bell icon to get informed when I post new videos. Now I will show you how to cut open a pomegranate. If you cut the pomegranate like this, you will be making a mess and wasting juice. And it would be difficult to take out seeds from a pomegranate cut into half. It is important to open the pomegranate in the right way so you don't make a mess. Make a cut like this on the flower or crown side. Peel off the cap. Now make vertical cuts along the ridges like this. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos, and also hit the bell icon to get informed when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.